So in today's class, we're going to discuss about the SAP and how to log in SAP. So it's just an overview for those who are new to this SAP system. So I will show you how the SAP screen looks like and how to log in to the SAP screen. So first of all, you would you can see that this is the SAP logo. So simply click on SAP logon, and once you click on SAP logon, it will pop up this screen, and here you need to enter your credentials. Okay, so once you enter that, so simply use your user ID and password and simply click on it, and here you can see it has the client, it has the user ID and the password and the language. So here you enter the user ID and the password and hit enter. You would see that once you enter the user ID and password, you would be able to successfully log into the SAP screen. Now, in this screen, basically the end user works in this screen, okay, and the consultant works on a different screen. I will take you to the uh, SPRO screen, that is the configuration screen as well. So let's first of all understand this screen. So this is the SAP Easy Access screen. So those who are seeing this screen for the first time, I would like to tell them that this is the SAP screen wherein the end user's activity, and end user perform their activity. So whatever the transactions they perform here. Okay, so this is basically the menu bar, this is the command box, and this is the ribbon bar, you can say, where you have different icons. Okay, so you can see it's the SAP Easy Access screen. Okay, now to access the SPRO screens, you need to simply type in the T code, which is SPRO, and hit enter, and SAP reference IMG. So you would land up to this screen. So once you land up to this screen, you can see these are the different modules. It says enterprise structure, controlling, logistics. There are different modules available. As per your requirement, you can work on your particular area. So let's suppose if I'm going to do the enterprise structure, so we'll simply go to enterprise structure, then the definition, then the financial accounting, and then if I have to define the company, I will click on it and then I will go to the new entries and I can define the company. Okay, so this is how an activity is performed in the SPRO screen. So either the consultants can come through this path or they can simply access through the T codes. So to see the T codes, simply go to additional information, then display keys, then IMG activity. Here you can see these are the different T codes. So the last four digit is basically the T code, which is OX15. So let's suppose if I have to access it, define company, with the help of the T code, I will open a new session. So here, okay, I've opened it, and now if I enter the T code, which is OX15, let's see, OX15. Okay, so now I'm able to access this with the help of the T code, and here I can do the configuration. So this is how a consultant works. Either they can come through the path or they can access it with the help of the T code. Okay, so there are different T codes for different activities, right? Now let's see a few more, uh, you know steps in the SAP Easy Access screen. So here, as I said, the end user activity, end user does the activity. So end user basically performs, you know, the end user activities. Let's suppose if the end user need to process any bank statement, so they will simply click on it, or let's suppose they need to do any activity here, so they would simply click on that. Okay, and from here also the SAP Fiori Launchpad can be accessed. So as this Fury Launchpad is added under the favorites, it can be accessed from here as well. So simply click on the SAP Fury Launchpad, and it would take to the Fury screen. So here again, you need to enter the user ID and the password, and with that, it can log in to the Fury screen. Okay, so this is how the Fury screen can be accessed. So this SAP Easy Access screen is basically for those who, for the end users who work on this screen. So this is the SAP end user screen, and this so and this is the consultant's screen, SPRO screen. So these are the two different screens wherein the end user works, and this is the screen wherein the consultants works. So thank you for